for today's memory keeping layouts. I will probably do 2 in this video again. I'm a little behind in November, so we'll do weeks 1 and 2, and then I'll be current again. And I think I did a 2 spread layout the last time to catch up in October, and the video wasn't that much longer than a normal one. So let me know in the comments below if you like having 2 layouts per video, or is it too much and you prefer like 1 layout a week? Just let me know. So I'm back in the vertical. I already prepped by just putting down the copy paper to take out the horizontal. And you know what's so funny is that I was gonna do the horizontal one, and I am just so comfortable in vertical that I was just like, you know what, I don't even want to like become creative again. Almost like I was already being like negative about like, oh, do horizontal. And I was like, I don't know how to make that work sometimes. So I decided to go with a blue-ish themed colored spread. I pulled this pattern paper, and I'm going to use this as a large title. This one is from one of the big Mombi sticks. These last little blue florals from a sheet in this one, and then I might use 1 or 2 of these blue ones here as accent pieces, because the rest of the flowers are all of like a orangey coral red coloring, kind of like this one. So I'll save that for maybe another layout in November, so that maybe I can kill this little sticker book and not have to have that in my collection anymore. So let's get started.
Okay, so let's get started. I always start with the scrapbooking paper, so largest to smallest. So I knew I was going to keep it simple, so I knew I was just going to have the same size go across like a belly band over both pages in this blue. It almost has like a white hashtag markings, and kept the big sticky, this title as the main focus for the page. Then to scatter the blue florals throughout the layout so that some are on both pages always makes them cohesive. And the pictures for this week, actually, my sister surprised my daughter by flying down from New York this week for Halloween. She came in for Halloween. So we trick-or-treated, and then my sister was in town. So then we did go to there was a local circus in town, or not local, but a circus was in town this week. And we went jumping at a trampoline park. And then I was also putting pictures. We had a couple days of rain nonstop, a couple days. And one of the days on dropping Valentina off to school, I just got soaked from head to toe, like soaked, like shoes, socks, pants, shirt, like everything, because it was just not wearing the proper clothing. So then in order to have the blue element tie into the other side, I took this Just Bloom from the big Color Story sticker book from Happy Planner and put it on white copy paper, and then I fussy cut it out. And now in this moment I had, I don't think I showed it, but I was missing a photo of Valentina with cotton candy, and I just moved on from it. It's somewhere on my desk, under my desk. It'll pop up somewhere. And what helped this layout too is printing some of the photos in black and white and then some in color. Helps make it a little bit more cohesive, so you're not fighting a lot of colors with the photos and whatever layout or color scheme you choose for your spread. So that helps as well, and I think I'm going to keep that in mind for next year's memory keeping, to always have 1 or 2 as black and white and then go from here. So then I just had on my desk, I went to Dollar Tree recently, and there are these rub-ons that are gold. So I got this set that are a set of butterflies, and then there are also hot air balloons, and I believe some flowers too. So I put them around the page. They're not the best, but they add a little something to the spread.
Okay, let's get on to week number 2 in November. Now, I have both sets of the Disney Princess Mombi sticks, the big ones, and I haven't used any of them. I've been like hoarding them so hard. How long ago did this collection come out? Like the other one, you know, these are the 2 packs that happened. So it's this set with Moana, and then this set that has Snow White. Yeah, haven't used any of them. So we're going to try to use one and see how it comes along. Because, you know, the problem I know why I haven't used them is because along with photos, I feel like these graphics are so beautiful on their own. Like, why clutter up the space with like photos as well? But I'm going to use the Tiana one because I have a couple pictures of plants and stuff. I planted new flowers this week. And so like the photos I have green. Not that all of them have green, but I was just thinking, you know what? Let me just kind of go with that because I have a Starbucks cup picture. This one's black and white. A little rainbow picture of Bubbles, and then us in like this blue shirt. So I just thought Tiana could go well for this one. And I'm kind of feeling like this Tiana like in this corner with pattern paper, and then this one with the dress kind of like up in this corner looking back, and then using this Kindness Magic is what I'm thinking. And then I pulled, you saw me haul this one, the Butterfly Collection, and there was a perfect sheet. Well, I'm between two. Either this one, because I like the gray with the pops of the green again, or like the one in front of it that's kind of yellow with all of this. Now this definitely adds yellow to the layout with Tiana. See, even with my lights, that looks crazy. So I think it's gonna be, yeah, I think it's gonna be this one. Like, I like that. Like, she can sit looking at that. Okay, that's the decision right there. Let's pull this one out. And so we'll see how it goes. If this becomes cute with the princesses, I will start using them, because I want to use them and I want to look at them and appreciate them, or else they're going to sit in my collection forever and collect cobwebs. Because if not, though, I feel like I'll save them for, I don't even want to just do them for my planner, because for me, and let me know in the comments below, are you the type of girl that likes to hold on to like old planners? I am not. As soon as I'm done with it for the year, I use a lot of Happy Planner planners for my everyday catch-all. I throw them out, you know. I'm not the type that uses like passwords and stuff in my planner. It's mostly dates, times, appointments, and to-do lists that I don't feel the need to hold on to that, which is why I really don't pretty plan. So I'm thinking maybe I would put these stickers, if I don't want to use them in my memory keeper, in maybe my journal. How does anyone else have these? Have you used them yet? And if so, what have you used them for? Because I'm very curious, because I don't want them. I want them used. They're like my favorite stickers ever. I'm like, even for Valentina's birthday party this year, she wants Disney princesses. And so that's what we're doing. And so the Disney princess, like, you know, I become a Disney mom. Like, not to say I never was. I feel like I become a Disney person harder, only because my 4-year-old daughter is obsessed. You know what I mean? So like, so when your kid's obsessed, then like you just kind of get into the Kool-Aid of it all. And actually, as I do this, I'm going to put her in here. That way I know like where to keep her. Anyways, so maybe we...
Okay, so at first this was going to be a very chatty layout, because here I'm talking a lot about planners and this and that, but then the video footage came out to be like 30 minutes, and I was like, no one wants to sit here and listen to 30 minutes of chit chat, but maybe you do. Let me know down below. So I decided to repeat it put it on fast forward here, just because I kept the technique rather simple. Putting the pattern paper and copy paper, I blocked out the rest of it for both sides, but just one graced the top and one graced the bottom of the page. And I love the Tiana stickers in these layouts. My comment was too during this chatting, like, sometimes I haven't used these because I feel like they will compete when the page is too busy with the photos, but it actually turned out really well. So let me know what you think when you see the close-up shots. And on both sides, I did put copy paper to block out the rest of it, so I didn't have any of the vertical layout bombarding my journaling for this spread. And then the title, Kindness is Magic, worked out great, and the photos worked perfectly in a grid format, which is why I think it helps with these large, gorgeous stickers. But came out wonderful.
Okay, that will wrap up these two layouts in November. Let me know again down below if you appreciate two layouts in one video, because I can definitely get used to it. I also was a little bit chatty on the second one. Let me know also if you prefer a little bit of a slowed down, chattier pace. I could certainly change up the style from time to time if you don't have a preference, because it was nice getting to chat with you a little bit right there. You know, my daughter's asleep already. You have some like quiet self time, and it's like I can't talk to anybody, but I can talk to my subbies. So this one stayed very simple. I found that lost photo and I added it right there. There was kind of a little pocket there. It goes off of the page of the scrapbook paper a little bit, but because of the flowers, I felt like it was fine. So this one will remain rather, I think, on the simple side, but for those that do like a simple approach, this is a great format. Plenty of room to write, and I definitely will be writing in a blue colored ink for this layout. And then my Tiana Princess one. Again, let me know if you have used the Tiana ones. Let me know if you think this is too busy, because that's my only, I think, problem sometimes with using them in my memory planner. Do they compete well with having photos? Or if it does work out well, I'd love to know, have your input on it. This one came out great, and I put the copy paper in order to block it out, just because I knew I was going to white them out, and that way I can just have free range to either kind of continuously write about everything that's going on without the breaking up of the vertical lines there. So we're up to date. So we're currently in this week when I'm filming this. Yeah, so I'll be able to do that at the end of the weekend. And yeah, this was fun. Thanks for spending time with me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, my friends, ta-ta!